41. Come down with something. Meaning, become sick. Example, my nephew came down with chicken pox this weekend. 42. Come forward. Meaning, volunteer for a task or to give evidence. Example, the woman came forward with her husband's fingerprints. 43. Come from somewhere. Meaning, originate in. Example, the art of origami comes from Asia. 44. Count on someone or something. Meaning, rely on. Example, I'm counting on you to make dinner while I am out. 45. Cross something out.
Meaning, draw a line through.
Example, please cross out your old address and write your new one. 46. Cut back on something. Meaning, consume less.
Example, my doctor wants me to cut back on sweets and fatty foods.
47. Cut something down. Meaning, make something fall to the ground.
Example, we had to cut the old tree in our yard down after the storm.
48. Cut in. Meaning, interrupt.
Example, your father cut in while I was dancing with your uncle.
49. Cut in. Meaning, pull in too closely in front of another vehicle.
Example, the bus driver got angry when that car cut in.
50. Cut in. Meaning, start operating of an engine or electrical device.
Example, the air conditioner cuts in when the temperature gets to 22 degrees Celsius.